This weekend's hike, we're in the Black Balsam area, where Black Balsam, Shiny Rock Wilderness, Middle Prong Wilderness, and Pisgah Forest all come together. And we're going to be on Sam Knob and Flat Laurel Creek trails. So let's go see what the mountains and nature have to offer today.